Hello everyone, today's video is a fruit parfait. A fruit parfait can be very healthy. Since I'm going to be 55 at the end of the month, I'm very cognizant on what I'm going to be putting into my body, because with health concerns and also our skin all reflects from the inside out. Just like your heart and soul, love and passion always starts from the inside out. So today I'm going to be making a healthy parfait with berries, pomegranates, bananas, yogurt, seeds, some nuts, everything that's healthy, that's going to help your free radicals, your cells, to boost your immune system, that will just help you just glow from the inside out. The first thing I'm going to do is take the berries and I'm going to soak them, because when you purchase your berries or any type of fruit, unless it has skin, they are going to spray it to preserve it so it'll be fresh for longer. So you want to get all that, anything that they coat the berries or anything off of. So I'll just grab a handful of raspberries and place it in water. And I'll soak them for at least like 15 minutes. And then I'll rinse them. And then I'll take a handful of blackberries. And then a handful of strawberries. You can actually feel like the stickiness. And I'll go ahead and cut the stems off with strawberries and slice them in pieces. And just put them in there. This is a great alternative as for breakfast, for a snack, for dessert. Because after we're done, we're going to make it creamy, and all the juices and the flavor just absorbs into the yogurt, where it gives it that sweetness, that to take that crave for like ice cream away. So I'll just let them soak and add some grapes to it as well. Everything in here is rich in vitamins, minerals, so it's very healthy for you because it has the flavonoids and the antioxidants to help your health and your skin, your hair. I'll go ahead and dump a bunch of blueberries in there, because whatever blueberries float to the top, I'm going to pick out because they're not ripe as of yet. And you can't get enough of blueberries. So everyone that's floating, I'm just going to put back for them to ripe up, and just let the other ones soak. And slice up the bananas. I had 2 bananas. Can't get enough bananas. They're so sweet and delicious, and they're very healthy for you as well. There's a lot of fiber in this as well. And you don't have to soak the bananas because it has that skin to protect them on the inside. And I'll put them in the bowl. Then I have pomegranates that are sliced in half, but I'll wait 15 minutes to let that soak and then come back. Okay, they've been soaking for 15 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and put them in a strainer and then rinse them off as well. Shake them around a little bit, and then add it to the bananas. Then we'll take the pomegranates and squeeze all the juice out of it. And get the seeds out of it. The seeds and the juice are very healthy for you. Depending how big your household and all, it will determine how many berries and bananas you'll add to it. And with the juice from the pomegranate, oh my God, mixed in with the yogurt, it's the bomb. It is so good. It gives it so much flavor. I just pick out the whites that fall in there. Just get out all the seeds. Now that I have that all mixed in, I'm going to go ahead and add plain, fat-free Greek yogurt. It depends how creamy you want it. I might put 2 in there. See how it goes after I mix it. So I'm going to add 2 of them, and this is 2 5.3 ounces. I mean, you could buy the big container and just do it according to that. It's up to you. These were on sale, so that's why I grabbed the little ones. And yogurt's a great probiotic for your digestion system. So 2 should make it nice and creamy to give it that dessert type of sweetness and dessert type of texture. You could put it in a bowl, whatever you like, a container, or if you're serving it as a dessert, just like this, one of your fancy, just like a pudding cup. And look how creamy, and then from the juices from the pomegranate. And then the next thing I'll do, this is grinded up flaxseed, pumpkin seed, and chia seed. So I'll sprinkle on the top. So it's like 2 pinches. And then I'll go ahead and add a handful of walnuts. Chopped walnuts. And then a handful of pecan chips. and then just mix it together. And that's it. I have it all mixed in together, and let's just try it. Delicious. I'll tell you, you love it. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed as of yet, then please subscribe. And a shout out to my brother, Eric Vanderslice. You can find him on Twitch. It's an app that you download. It's free. DJ Tonka. He's an awesome DJ. So you'll get alerts when he's on. You can get into a chat and have him play certain music you want to play. He's an awesome DJ. So it's DJ Tonka by Eric Vanderslice. So do check it out. And also a shout out to Ashley Vanderslice. Depending on your diet, if you need a keto, she sells all the supplements and everything. Well, like always, have a happy, fun, and blessed day. Thank you for watching, and bon appetit.